Are you in the market for a reliable and spacious SUV? Look no further than our 2011 GMC Yukon XL. With its stunning white exterior and cream interior, this SUV is sure to turn heads on any road. But don't just take our word for it. Let me walk you through the features of this incredible vehicle. The Yukon XL is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that provides smooth and reliable performance, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling rough terrain. And with a towing capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, this SUV is perfect for those who need to tow heavy loads. Whether you're in Wadena or Marshall, Cowles Motor Group is here to help you find the perfect vehicle or provide top-notch automotive services. Stop by one of our locations today and experience the Cowles difference. At Cowles Motor Group, we're proud to offer a wide array of vehicles to suit every lifestyle and preference. Looking for a sleek new car to cruise around town? We've got you covered. Need a rugged truck or a spacious SUV for your outdoor adventures? You'll find it here. But that's not all. We also have Glacier Ice Houses for those who love a good fishing expedition. And for the off-road enthusiasts, we offer a range of UTVs and ATVs to get your adrenaline pumping. And let's not forget about our golf carts, perfect for a leisurely day on the course or a fun ride around the neighborhood. We even offer customizations, including a selection of rims to make your golf cart truly one of a kind. Into eco-friendly transportation? Check out our e-bikes, perfect for a quick trip around town or a scenic ride in the countryside. And when winter rolls around, you'll be glad to know we have snowmobiles to help you embrace the snowy season with excitement. Our snowmobiles are ready to take you on an exhilarating ride through the winter wonderland. We know that each season brings its own unique adventures, and in Minnesota, we know a thing or two about making the most of winter. When the snow starts falling and the temperatures drop, you can count on Cowles Motor Group to keep you moving. If you're in need of a reliable 4x4 truck to navigate those snowy roads, we've got a fantastic selection for you to choose from. At Cowles Motor Group, we understand that purchasing a vehicle is a big decision. That's why we offer flexible financing options to make your dream vehicle more accessible than ever. But why just take our word for it? Come in and take a test drive today. Feel the rush of driving a new vehicle. Explore the customization options for our golf carts or discuss your financing options with our friendly team. And remember, our service doesn't stop at the sale. We offer on-site service to keep your vehicle running smoothly so you can focus on the joy of the ride. So what are you waiting for? Visit Cowles Motor Group today, and let's get you behind the wheel of your next adventure.